Have you ever been paid by a company that is located in another country? If so, you may have had to deal with the hassle of international wire transfers. But what if there was a better way? In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive payment from Deel. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy to pay employees and contractors in over 150 countries. Deel is a great option for businesses that have employees or contractors in other countries. It's easy to set up and use, and it's much more affordable than traditional international wire transfers. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Deel? How to sign up for Deel? How to add a new employee or contractor? How to process a payment? How to receive payment from Deel? Additional tips for using Deel. What is Deel? Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy to pay employees and contractors in over 150 countries. Deel handles all of the paperwork and compliance for you, so you can focus on running your business. How to sign up for Deel? Signing up for Deel is easy. Simply go to the Deel website and click on the Get Started button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about your company, such as your name, email address, and country. Once you've submitted your information, you'll be able to create an account. How to add a new employee or contractor? Once you have an account, you can add new employees or contractors. To do this, simply click on the Employees tab and then click on the Add New Employee button. You'll be asked to provide some information about the employee or contractor, such as their name, email address, and country. Once you've submitted their information, they'll be able to create an account. How to process a payment? To process a payment, simply click on the Payments tab and then click on the Create New Payment button. You'll be asked to provide some information about the payment, such as the amount, currency, and recipient's name. Once you've submitted your information, the payment will be processed. How to receive payment from Deel? Deel offers a variety of payment options, including bank transfer, PayPal, and Payoneer. Once you've received a payment from Deel, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account or use them to make purchases online. Additional tips for using Deel. Here are a few additional tips for using Deel. Make sure that you have all of the required information about your employees or contractors before you try to add them to Deel. Deel is a very secure platform, but it's still important to take steps to protect your account. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. If you have any questions about Deel, you can contact their customer support team. Deel is a great option for businesses that need to pay employees or contractors in other countries. It's easy to set up and use, and it's much more affordable than traditional international wire transfers. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit their website. Thank you for watching.